Singsang Taytay Leho. I am Mary Ann Monsalve, born on August 9, 1993, 32 years old, from Bicol, Philippines. I am a single parent and raised with two children aged 10 and 5 years old. I'm an associate college graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as a domestic helper in Saudi for 10 months from March 2022 to January 2023. I worked as a housemaid in Philippines for 3 years from March 2023 to March 2026. I served one couple in newborn baby.
Hello, Miss Mary Ann Monsalve. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from our previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Um, Sir, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
All right. What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their foods on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hands and look to the right and left before crossing.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, if the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. Promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Mary Ann Monsalve, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.